Assalamu alaikum friends. I'm Ali Akbar. Today we are going to learn how to create fetch search report in Apex. So let's start. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You vibes, stay with me. Let's start. Now we are creating fetch search report in Apex. I'm creating page. Now I'm going to report. Now I'm going to fetch search report. Type any name. I'm name fetch searched. Page name, this is a page name. This name not showing in a menu. This is just name of a page. I'm going to press next. This name would be shown in a navigation menu. Assigning table. I'm making this report on the source view. Press create. This window showing asking me in which column do you wanna fetched. I'm fetching search. I'm pressing all. This is a provided from Apex. Auto provided. I'm press created. Friends, this is a very beautiful feature, a report feature provided from Apex. This report feature provided from in Apex in 20.1. Now press. Going to press, and you can see you can change this name. You can change this column name. Everything you can change. But the purpose of this report is that fetch search. If you wanna search only purchase, you can in the right side only purchase menu showing. If you wanna just account type, is it only account that is showing? You can clear. If you gonna type, I'm just type. This menu, this is a fetch search provided by Apex. This is very helpful for any user. So you can change, friends. You can add column in the left side in the search bar from edit page. You can add any type, any bar home from this left column से fetch search में fetch. Thanks guys, I'm Ali Akbar. Please take care yourself. Stay with me. If you have any query, please comment. Visit my blog, visit my Facebook page. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.